In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove background noise from your videos and audio files, better than CapCut and Adobe. Let me show you how.
Open your Google Play Store and search for KineMaster. Install it and open it. Create a new project and choose your aspect ratio. Now, select your video. Click the blank space below to arrange the editing interface. Tap on the video you want to remove background noise from. Select sound below. Look for noise remover and press it. Allow it to process. Now it is completed. Let's see the result.
In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove background noise from your video.
Now, listen to the original noisy video.
In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove background noise from your video.
This is good. You can do the same thing with audio files. Click the audio button below. Search for the audio file you want to remove the background noise from. Select it and import it. Tap on the audio file. Down below, select noise remover. Allow it to process. Now you have a nice, clean voice.
Drop your questions on comment. Don't forget to like and share. And for more useful videos like this, follow or subscribe. See you in the next one.